Hi, this is Michael, and once again, looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index. Okay, so to answer the question, will we go up or still have another low to go? I suggest you check out my last two videos I've posted recently, today actually, about the US dollar fresh new analysis, how that affects the Aussie dollar, and how we could be on the last leg up. And in my opinion, based on that new information, I would say that we're going to go up from here. Okay, I would say that yes, we are moving towards entry for this trade. Entry gets triggered at 34,756. Target is 66,000. Some people say 44,000, 45,000. That's fine. Take your profit whenever you feel like it. The point is not that. The point I want to make here is if the US dollar is about to go into a wave three up after this corrective move down, don't you think that that will be a catalyst for the next crash? I believe so. I'm starting to believe that this is what's going to bring prices way down to finish this zigzag that I've been talking about in my long term video. I'll link that down below as well if you haven't seen it. It's had amazing support, a lot of views. Um, People have really vibed with that view. It's a long term view. It basically outlines the foreseeable future of price action in the Dow Jones according to an expanded zigzag type 2 zigzag pattern that started in after the Great Depression. And what I was trying to do is join the dots as to how we're going to start moving in this pattern that I've laid out in that video. Right, so I'm trying to gather as much evidence as possible to help you as much as I can to get into trades, to profit on the way up and on the way down. Sure, I could be wrong along the way and funny and all this stuff, but this is serious business, right? We need to know when and how much and what's next. Okay, so when we see the end of this move up to the target, I believe we're going to get a top. We're going to hit a top and we're going to see price decline substantially to what I believe will be the previous wave 4. Okay, so that'll be 15,613 roughly. So from that level of 66,000, that will be a decline, if we make it that far, of 76% in the Dow Jones, right? So as I mentioned in that Dow Jones video, the larger picture, the bigger picture, all the chickens are going to start coming home to roost. This is going to keep repeating itself over and over again. What do I mean by that? Well, you see, this is the first C wave of many more that are coming, right? What comes after this D is an E, right down here, completes B. And then we're going to see another C that completes a larger D, right? Oh, I'm such a perfectionist. That should be purple, right? And then we're going to see another E. It's going to be even worse than the previous E you saw, which has got to fall to another level, which is basically the end of the 2000 bull market, right? That's the support level. I think it will be. Um, and then we're going to see the wave C. I can't even move over in this chart. Anyway, watch the video. It's pretty interesting. I don't want to make this go for too long. It's just a quick update. It's just I'm making this video basically to answer the question: will we see this go up now, or will it go down further? Well, my belief now is that it will go up. So once we hit that entry point, it's on, game on, right? With a stop at the red line, 32,569. That's if you're not already long, right? You might be long. But once again, it goes back to the idea that most of the market is feeling bearish already. It doesn't mean that that's the case right now. Okay. Um, I think it's just that one more move up before the stuff hits the fan, right? And I'm just trying to help you get there in a good way. Okay. So hopefully you found this one interesting and informative. I'll catch you on the next one.